So, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Cai Rang floating market Mekong 2 days. My trip come from UK. Hey, so good morning Vietnam. So this we are the floating market. This is okay. We have locally selling a lot of fruit over here. We're busy today on the 1st February, the new month. You can sit over here. Again. You can sit down, Mom. Sit down here. Okay. And here the people are selling the fruits and vegetables. Look at here, a lot of boats are busy today. Today and tomorrow, and the end of the year. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no more boats.
No more boats. Oh, right.
On the Chinese New Year, on the 10th. Here are selling lottery on the boat. Look at the guy. They are selling everything here. Pineapple. Pineapple. You can look over here. Pineapple. Yes.
Gosh, I can see them, they're all loaded up. There's always a lot of money in fruit and veg.
Yeah, big floating markets in Mekong Delta, Contour City.
Amazing.
Cai Rang floating market. Cairang, Cai Rang. Yes, you can see restaurant, floating restaurant, huh? Yeah.
Look at them eating the pineapples.
Yeah, pineapple, you can see fresh pineapple. Fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, fresh.
There we go, lady.
Look at the lady captain here, let's see. Very good. Wow.
Everything herself.
He's selling coffee and
Oh yes.
some drink, soft drink.
I like the private enterprise.
Phenomenal.
No rules and regulations. It's all about trade.
He's selling, the guy he's selling at breakfast, the noodle soup.
Oh, he's selling breakfast there.
Yeah,
Oh,
noodle
little
soup.
floater.
He's selling, yeah.
He's filling a need. Fantastic.
Up shopping, you can see,
This
yeah.
one, yeah.
Look, yeah.
One
Watermelon.
of that because you're closer. Watermelons. Potatoes. This lady's got potatoes.
Yes.
Everyone's got their own little bit.